Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about Coimbatore, AEEE and JEE cutoffs based on whatever the data is given by all of you student. It really took me a lot of time to analyze all the data. It's really hard to actually find out, and especially Coimbatore is really having lot of branches, and I have to find out the data of each and everything and note it down as you asked clearly to say each and everything. So this is all with the slabs. I'll try to make another video with all the campuses, a PDF format where you can see all if it is possible. So please watch the other three parts. This is the part 4. The other three parts are Amruta, Bangalore and Chennai. Those are already released, so please watch them, and please note down whichever are the categories which are coming under your particular rank, so that you can finally decide. So today you have time until 5, so it's better you start your allotment after 3 after analyzing completely, because the cutoffs are really too high because of all the JEE students this year. So let's start. You can see that there is a huge difference in the state quota and non-state quota. So you can see 1894 has got the seat in aerospace engineering, who is of non-state, and that is not from Tamil Nadu state, of 12th class. And you can see the difference of slab 4 of the same state quota and slab 3 of state quota. So it's really unfair from Amrita University that they are doing it like this, all being Indians. I don't know why they kept that. I think hope you can see up all the things. I don't want to read it. Please see it and analyze yourself. So here you can see that 669 to 783, that means this is range of the slab 3. So for chemical engineering, everyone is allotted slab 4. I don't know why. So you can see this because there is no much competition. You can see 7000 rank of non-state has got it. So if you are under rank 7000, definitely opt for chemical engineering in Coimbatore campus. So this is the other state or no quota. 3300 is the cutoff for civil engineering. You can see the things for CC. So actually for Coimbatore, state quota students have mostly applied for major branches, because non-state quota the cutoff is really too high. See this is not even computer science and the cutoff is 461. This is CCE, even though cutoff is really too high for non-state quota students. Yeah, coming to the major branch, computer science, CSE Coimbatore campus, it really shocked me. The main thing could be like because of the JEE students. So you can see for slab 1, 270 is for state quota and 13 is for non-state quota. Slab 2, yeah, you can see here JEE main rank 174. He just got allotted. Actually JEE main rank mostly you have not got, or you didn't type that in the particular Google form sheet. So I got less data regarding JEE main cutoffs and all that, but you can see each slab wise whatever the data I've got, I've put it. Yeah, reason being cutoffs are really too high because the JEE is not yet completed, so all those students are keeping Amruta for the safe side. So once the JEE counseling will be completed, they'll leave Amruta most probably. Like all those people especially who are under 2000 like that are mostly JEE students, right? So that's why the cutoffs are high. So better, if you want a seat in Amruta University, it's better to opt for management quota. That's the only way, like this year. And siding is also not that much sure that you will be getting a better branch like computer science or whatever after paying the 1 lakh. So this is CSE cyber security. You can see that this is the range for slab 4. Only 522 is the cutoff for non-state quota. Please guys, like and subscribe. It really took me a lot of time. You must be knowing it's really hard to analyze and type all these things. Like I've been working from yesterday. So I just don't want to say anything more. So please watch all these 4 parts. Then please make a note of whatever are the branches and campuses coming under your particular rank. So trial allotment and first allotment are going to be same. You can't change your preferences after the first allotment or anything. Today 5 p.m. is the last for changing it, so make sure you analyze properly and you do it. If you really want any other particular video, I'm currently trying to make a video with all campuses and just the cutoff marks without any slabs, so I'll try to post it whenever possible, like before 3. So if you want, you can watch that also. So yeah, please like the video, share this with all of your friends. Please join our Discord server and our Telegram channel. You can search Futurize, you'll get it, or the link is in the description. Please join and you can continue our discussion there. Thank you. There is very less time, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.